hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. But since I came here, felt the joy and the fear, finding myself making every possible mistake. La 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 la.
Hello my friends, my name is Bada and I am going to talk about the Jurong Bird Park. In the Jurong Bird Park, there is so many different kinds of birds. There is over 5,000 animals and 400 species living in this park. Today we are going to travel all around it for you with my mother and father. So let's start with the lunch with the birds. In the lunch with the birds, there's an attraction. So the attraction is when you're eating, you can eat, and while you're eating, you can watch the show. It's actually lunch with birds, but we made actually dessert with birds. And I got a drink. This is more nicer than the strawberry. So now I'm eating some of my ice cream. Let's try the chocolate nice one. The chocolate absolutely yummy. Now let's start eating. I didn't see that girl coming. She was just right behind me. Anyway, let's watch the show. So I was the first volunteer to go up on the beautiful Parrot Show. Actually, it's so easy. You just hold your arm and the parrot comes and does everything for you. The good thing about it was in the end of the show they gave me a free ice cream ticket. After that we saw a singing parrot. Parrots that copies animal sounds.
Of the rooster.
And the recycling parrot.
Wait for the paper transfer. He steps onto the pedal and he recycles. Well done, Vicky.
There was an artist parrot. Can you believe it? He was holding the paintbrush with his claws and painting wonderful pictures. It was fun to see some parrots drawing with colorful colors. I wish all of the beautiful animals get to paint one day. I'm excited because I'm going to hold the bird on my arm. Yes, I wanted to have another parrot on my arm. It is so fun. It's more than fun. But the nails are so sharp you can see it on my arm. Our next stop is the Bird Discovery Center. In this center, you can see bird skeletons, different kind of bird beaks, and almost everything about birds. Look at this one. There are heavy bones and light bones of the birds.
That's the flying bird. That's
Flightless bird, like
flightless bird, like
ostrich.
I think the ostrich can't fly because the bone is so heavy. The person let me touch one real ostrich egg and one real ostrich feather. Did you know one ostrich egg is as heavy as 24 chicken eggs?
This belongs to an eagle, a young eagle.
a young
have a
eagle.
So when it grows older, the wing is actually much bigger.
Yeah.
Do you know what I like about eagles? Female eagles are stronger and bigger than male eagles. Now we are going to learn about diurnal and nocturnal birds. Of course, you know owls are nocturnal animals and they hunt at night. It's very interesting that when they flap their wings in the nighttime, they make no sound, so they can approach their prey silently.
So this is the feather of the owl.
Oh
You can tell
wow.
it's very light and it's almost transparent in color.
Yes.
So when owl flies in the night, because it's a nocturnal animal,
Yes.
you can't hear a thing
Can you hear anything?
because he has to hunt in the night. Okay, so it's very quiet. So like compare it to this feather.
Oh, I can hear that one. Can you hear it? Wow. But this one you
So but when
can't.
the owl flies, you can't hear it.
Wow.
Did you notice how fascinating nature is? For our next stop, I want to take you to see some pelicans. You want to come? This is a Pelican Chit Chat Show. In the Chit Chat Show, this beautiful lady gives us very beautiful information about pelicans. There is a lady and she throws fish inside the water so the people can see how the pelicans eat the fish. My father will make it slow motion so you can see. I want to give you some information about pelicans. Their beaks can hold 3 buckets of fish. They use their pouch to catch fish like a fish net. They are very social birds. They play together, they hunt together, and they work together. And they communicate by speaking pelican language. I think pelican language is something like that. I want to feed some pelicans. Now it's time to get closer to them. Are you ready to feed these beautiful creatures with me? To feed them, you need some fish. And to hold the fish, you need to wear some gloves. Don't worry, they provide fish and gloves. They must be so hungry they're eating all of the fish that I threw. They should be quite full by now. This means it's time to go. I need to tell you there is a beautiful penguin coast. You can see lots of different types of penguins swimming and having fun. There is another attraction, which is the High Flyers Show. I strongly recommend for you to watch it in the Jurong Bird Park. And don't forget to have a nice walk around the Lory Loft, where you can feed gorgeous, colorful little birds. I want to thank everyone who helped us to finish this beautiful, lovely video. Hello my friends, I hope you enjoyed the video in the Jurong Bird Park. Bye! If you want to see more, comment down below and give a big thumbs up. Yeah, we'll go to the pizza and then we'll go eat some pizza. Goodly. So now we're going up this hill. I can't walk. We will eat some pizza and then go to other places. Then we're going here and then we're eating some pizza. And then we're gonna go to the pizza over here and we're gonna eat pizza after. We'll eat some pizza. So we're walking up this big hill and then we'll go eat some pizza.